Kit. I am back with my YouTube channel. I have taken some time off to manage my ill health that was caused by long-term child abuse and its trauma. In 2007, I decided to divorce my son's dad. A bitter divorce ensued. I became a single mum with 3 young sons to look after. I got sick because I was very angry, extremely angry, enraged in fact. I was the victim of my son's dad, my then husband's 14-year abuse. I had no boundaries. I didn't know how to protect myself. I was the victim of his narcissistic abuse that happened almost every day. Anyway, the ongoing health issue was a weak liver that I have been getting traditional Chinese medicine and acupuncture to help me recover. I am about 90% recovered. My Chinese doctor would like to take me off the traditional Chinese medicine that stinks the house. Hopefully I can come off it this week. However, he suggested that I continue with my weekly acupuncture sessions for another 10 weeks, and that will take me up to the end of the year, and hopefully I will be fully recovered by then. However, he does reinforce that I must keep doing what I am currently doing, as in managing my anger, because it's anger that weakens the liver. And I had a tremendous amount of anger issues that I hadn't acknowledged, I hadn't processed, I hadn't regulated, and it caused my liver to weaken. Going forward, I would like to regularly post about my childhood abuse and trauma that I have sustained from my childhood. So that's an update, and I would like to post regularly, so watch this space. And it's bye from Kit.